yourself.
Good job, Mia.
So if you go backwards, that means you stop. Okay? You pedal backwards, that means you're braking. If you want to stop, you stop.
When I go forward, what gives me?
Pedal.
Just follow me. Just follow me. Just follow me. Almost there. I'm almost there.
Hey, good job, Mia.
Her first lap. High five, Mia.